On a beautiful Saturday, we explore Crater Lake National Park and Diamond Lake. Hopefully you all enjoyed that episode, or if you missed that, I am sharing the link in description box. Hello everyone, welcome to our travel vlog. On Sunday, before we return back to our home, we explore some more places. Stay till the end, there are so many beautiful places to visit. Last night we stayed in a place called Madras. It was our motel. Last night a bad thing happened here in Klamath. There was forest fire, so we got so much smoke during our drive. Here we need to pay $10 for a day. Here in Trillium Lake Dales area right now, you can get a wonderful view of Mount Hood from here. Little Trillium Lake with Mount Hood has an incredible background. Is one of the more popular day use and camping destination in Mount Hood National Forest. Trillium Lake is circled by the 2 miles long trail. The trail begins and ends to the Trillium Lake Dam. The lake is popular for fishing, camping, kayaking, paddling. Towering over northern Oregon and within eyesight of the Strait of Portland, Mount Hood stands at 11,240 feet and is the highest mountain in the state. Timberline Lodge on Mount Hood in Oregon offers one of the most exciting and unique high alpine mountain experiences in North America. This is the ski and snowboarding area of Timberline Lodge. The waterfall named Zigzag Falls is accessible from here, but the trail is still covered with snow. Mount Hood Meadow is one of the largest ski resorts in Oregon and the largest ski resort on Mount Hood. But everything is closed here. Little Zigzag Falls Trail is a 0.8-mile round trip, very scenic waterfall. Found minutes of the route of the old Mount Hood Scenic Byway near the town government camp. After 2 miles of hike, we finally reached to the falls. If you are coming to Mount Hood, I recommend you to come to this falls. This is an easy 4 miles round trip, but the falls is really gorgeous. It was so grainy, rocky and gravels up there near the falls. I just slipped and fell down, cut my hand and leg. And now we are going to a small lake. This is Lawrence Lake. It's a fun getaway. Good area for camping, picnic. Multnomah Falls is the most visited natural recreation area in the Pacific Northwest. It has 2 miles steep hiking trail at the top of this falls. The total height of this falls is 620 feet. The Vista House, it is the museum at Crown Point, was built in 1917 on one of the most beautiful scenic point on the historic Columbia River Highway and was built for rooftop observatory for travelers. Can you see the view? Isn't it amazing? Sunset view from here must be very, very beautiful. And our last stop along the route is Latourell Falls, is the closest to the major Columbia River Gorge waterfall to Portland, and it's also one of the most photogenic. It has 2.1 mile loop trail. The driving is so beautiful here, and following the road we are driving straight to home now. 3 hours drive from here. Thanks for watching, and as always, hit the like button and comment below. Keep watching, keep loving. See you next time.